Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of the 4th of July, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a cartoon 4th of July Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with our 4th of July Godzilla, let's begin with the face. I'm going to begin by drawing a little check mark shape that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and up. Then I'm going to bring a couple lines down, and another line right here under the eye. Next, I'm going to bring a line over, and then we're going to come down. Then I'm going to bring a line up, and I'm going to come down. Next, I'm going to bring a line up here and like a smile. And then we want to come down here for the rest of the mouth. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over, and then we're going to pull this right up here for the jaw. For the nose, just go ahead and make a little line. And then add some teeth in here, some nice pointy V's on the top, and some little pointed triangles at the bottom. Now, I like to draw a line that goes down and then in a couple times just to start off the back of the neck. Now, right here, I'm going to bring this line down. And right up here, we're going to start the arm. So to do that, we're going to draw a line down. Then bring this line out here and then down. We're going to make it come to a point and up. Another one here, up to a point, and then one more here. Then we're going to go over and up to finish off the arm. Let's put another one over here. Let's draw a line that's going to go out, and then down, and then bring it up. And we'll just do one more that goes down and up. Starting here, let's bring this line down for the stomach. And then we're going to work on the leg. To start the leg, we're going to bring this down like this. We're going to make a little line that goes over and down, and then one more here that's going to come out and then down to start the foot. I'll bring this back, then I'll do another one here, down and back, and then one more down, and then I'm going to bring this back. Next, I'm going to bring this up and over here. Next, we're going to go out and then down here for that other leg. We're going to come out and down for a point and bring it back, and one more for that other toe. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it around and bring it up here. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to follow that same shape, just getting a little bit smaller, and then curving it around. Now at the top up here, because we're making a 4th of July Godzilla, I'm going to give him a little patriotic hat. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come across. We'll go up on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line across here. We'll draw two lines that come up, and I kind of like to make them come out just a little bit. Then I'll bring this line across. We'll make a line across here with a few lines coming down. Now for the spikes. Let's go up and down, up and down, up and down for some points. And we're gonna make these all across the back. I'm gonna make them get a little bit bigger as they come across. Then they can start getting a little bit smaller as they come back down. And then we'll make them really small as we go towards the end of the tail. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to jump over it and come down here. Next, starting here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to bring this all the way to the end of the tail. Now, for the body here, I'm going to make some wavy lines for some stripes on here. So we're just going to make some wavy little lines on the stomach of Godzilla, and I'm going to bring these all the way down to the bottom of the tail. So we're just going to add all these stripes on here, so that way we can do a nice red and white pattern. Now I want to add a few stars on here for his body. To draw the stars, all you do is this. Make an upside down V that goes up and down. Then you make two lines that come out. Bring them in a little bit. Then you go down and up, down and up. And then you can go ahead and kind of add stars all over here. You can make some big and some a little bit smaller. Now the last thing we want to do is we want to add some little stripes onto the spikes. So I'm just going to make some little wavy lines coming up the spikes here. And this will just be another thing that we can add some different red-white patterns onto. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and add some fire coming out of his mouth. I'm just going to add two little lines out here. And then I'm going to make some little zigzag lines that are different shapes coming out of here. And then we can always color this in like a red, white, and blue pattern. And there you go. There is your drawing of a 4th of July Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.